front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off fast charging. If you're struggling to find charging settings on this device, then don't worry, you are not an only one. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll to Hit Battery. And here's where most people can see that after scrolling down, you can tap on Charging Settings under View Details. Then use this switcher next to Fast Charging to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!